You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this ancient goddess in ancient Egyptian religion. If you want to learn more names from ancient Egypt, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced as Nephthys. Yes, it's easy. It's quite straightforward, actually. The T is usually pronounced as like a T. Nephthys. I mean, I guess you could say it with TH as well. But it sounds, if you try saying Nephthys with a TH sound or Nephthys with a T sound, it actually comes through the same. So Nephthys, it is. Nephthys. The PH is pronounced like an F. You've heard that. Nephthys. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.